going on, guys? We've got a VW Polo that has been stopped for a while now, so battery dead. As you can see, nothing. So first thing, we're gonna jump start it. Ooh. And then clean it. So we are using the knockoff, the best tool ever to jump start cars, honestly. Okay. Oh, that doesn't go there. Oh, that doesn't go there. Where the fuck? That doesn't seem legit. There we go. I knew something wasn't right there. Okay. Let's get the booster out and boost this. Oh shit. Okay, so didn't record it, but managed to get it started. Now we get on to the wash. Oh shit, you know what? I better not stall this. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? This car's been stopped for so long that the brakes are locked. Oh, there we go. Damn. Ooh, that boy's real close to me, eh? I don't know if you lot saw that, but that boy real close to me. Better watch out. So I went and fucked up, didn't I? Wasn't supposed to switch it off. Switched it off. Got to jump start it again. Brilliant. Bloody brilliant. Oh, there we go. Wheels are done. We move on to pre-wash and then SnowFoam and then contact wash.
haunted, 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 haunted,
Now that the exterior has been washed, London has gone dark on us. Perks of living in London, eh? But car's clean. I'm not going to show you the interior because you ain't going to see shit. But we are going to drive this car for the client, charge up the battery a bit because the client's also a friend of ours. And we're going to take it to a well-lit area to show you the final results. We've arrived at our location and here are the results.